Hey guys, I'm Farid Gaskin. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to use intent in our Android projects. If an Android application has multiple activities, we should be able to move around from one activity to another. So in Android, we'll do that by using the intent library, one of the more powerful libraries that Android has. So we'll start this tutorial by creating a new Android Studio project. So I have mine already created, and for this we're going to create a second activity that we will move to from the first one, which is the default main activity. So right click on your package and choose new activity, and to make things simple, we're going to so right click on the package, choose new activity, empty activity. So we'll call this second activity as second activity, source language Kotlin, and finish. Right, so we have our second activity.kt, and we'll go straight to activity second.xml, go to design, I'm gonna add a text view into my new layout just for the sake of telling the user that this is a second activity. So I'm going to create all the constraint widget for the new text view. So I'm going to type something that says this is the second activity. It's too small, so I'm gonna change the text size. No, it's not here. Was it text size or just size? Should be something, but yeah, I'll just leave it. So we're basically done on the second activity. We have a text view that says this is the second activity. The main activity, and go to activity main.xml, go to design, and we're gonna add a button that we're going to use. So we have a button here with the ID and a train widget for the new buttons. It's kind of messed up over here, so what I'm gonna do is go to layouts, choose linear layout vertical, drag it into the constraint layout. I'm gonna make the text view and the button as part of the new linear layout. But it's gone missing, so I'm gonna delete the text view, leave the button here, and set the borders or boundaries for the linear layout. It's referring to the deleted item. Gonna move this. sometimes all you gotta do is give it some time to render, I think. So we have our button here that's going to be clicked to send us to the second activity. So now finally let's go to the main activity. I'm gonna use to take us where we want to go. So I'm going to define our button here. So as you can see, it is referring to button to from activity main.xml. So we don't need to define any variables or any objects that we're going to need to bind as we previously did with Android when it was using Java. And now I'm going to set a listener to our newly detected button. So you might notice that in the new set-on-click listener, compared to the old Java set-on-click listener, we no longer have an on-click function inside of it. So it's straight down to business, val intent, equals intent. So we're going to move from this file to our second activity, second file, and double colon class.java. It refers to both. Space for errors. And start activity, intent, and that's it. So let's connect our device to our machine. Okay, so I have my screen over here with the button all across the screen. So whenever I touch the button, you can see a tiny animation that shows that we have moved from the first activity to the second one. And I haven't really managed to set the position and dimensions of my text on my second activity, which says that this is my second activity. So it's kinda, yeah, it's hidden behind the header over here. So when I click my back button, I'm taken back to my first main activity. Click the button again, goes to the second activity, and back again to main activity. Okay, so that's it for now. And if you like this video, don't forget to click the subscribe button, and see you guys later in my next tutorials. Thanks for watching.